That's my fault.
Yeah.
This place is incredible. It is a castle on a giant mountain. I can't believe that Pablo Escobar got the entire Colombian government to agree to make this. Like what? Who? That's unheard. What the?
The people from here, they said that is an original, the greenhouse. So they built it again. But I don't know. Then if you said that it was a bedroom of Pablo, that is original, but I don't know. They said that. So.
Take a quick photo because this place is closing up. Here's a dog. Hello, Perro. And this is Pablo Escobar's church. He made a church. He was killing and dealing drugs, but still got to be strong in Catholicism. No.
You see it inside your
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you can go inside. Oh.
Quick. Whoa. Quick, what's in there? Oh, this is a big church for one dude. This is crazy. Pablo prayed in here probably for like the death of his enemies. Oh, it's so pretty. Pablo Escobar decorated the Christmas church and then murdered all his enemies. Probably. Oh, there's bathrooms. This guy made an adoration chapel. This is where I pray for my other enemies to die.
It is an adoration chapel.
Pablo, you weird motherfucker. I mean, is it really a church? Pablo Escobar made it.
But they still, they really actually use it as a church.
They really use it as a church?
It's actual church. I just came here for the
Every girl at every party. We are currently at Monte Sacro Cemetery. This is the cemetery that Pablo Escobar is buried at. It's a crazy view.
Oh yeah. See the view.
Yeah.
See, guess.
Which one is his?
Which one? Guess. The foreigners.
Right here? This big one?
See there, the foreigners there. Oh, we're all the.
Oh. There it is. This is where Pablo is. This is Pablo's entire family. From his nephew, his aunt, his mother, Limon. This Chavo?
Oh, people bring the flowers.
This is Gustavo.
This is Gustavo here.
Oh, this is Gustavo.
This is Gustavo. And this is the son of Gustavo with the same name.
Oh. Smoking blunts with Pablo. Griselda Blanco. Cocaine Cowboys.
And her first husband.
And her first husband. That's crazy. They're all, it's like a narco cemetery. Whose dog is this?
What collar? And you're just hanging out.
Hello, Perito. No. No. No.
Wait, what's
Vamos. No. Come on, vamos. So we just finished the Narcos tour. It was a great tour. It was not really neutral. It was more like they really like Pablo. They tell you all the things he's done, but Pablo did some bad shit that I didn't even know about. Things that weren't in Narcos. It was really informative. Definitely couldn't have done that ourselves. Like, they brought us to his jail, as you saw, and to get to that, it's a crazy winding road. You could take an Uber most likely, but if you get there, he's not gonna stay. And to get back down is extremely difficult. I mean, we paid $38 a person, US, to have them bring us to the his old home, the jail, and then to his grave, and have this all, you know, basically a personal driver. That's what you're paying for, and then the information. But I thought 100% worth it. I would have not been able to bring Tina to any of those locations without feeling like I was going to get shanked. It was definitely worth it. I highly recommend it. I did it off through Airbnb. We're going to take showers because we're disgusting, and just freshen up. All right, this is our first real meal here in Medellin. Are you uncomfortable? Dinner was great. We're in the parking lot, which is also the lounge. So that is it for day one. It has been a extremely long travel day, but we got to do a really cool thing and see the Narcos Tour. What the f is that? Oh, this is the hot water heater. But as I was saying, it was a long day of travel, a long day of delays, but we finally got to Medellin. It's beautiful here, it's beautiful weather. We were able to see the Narcos Tour. It was extremely great, extremely informative. Got a nice meal, the bandeja de pescado. It's been great. I'm gonna get some rest. I feel crazy. I feel like I feel pickled. But soon I'll be back to my old self, gonna hydrate correctly. And yeah, that's the end of day one. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I like all the Christmas lights too. You see all the Christmas lights flashing.